gonna show you how to create a funnel using AI in Funnels AI. In GoHighLevel account, you need to be logged in into your high level account. Once you are an agency, go to settings. First, you need to make sure that Funnels AI is turned on for your sub account, the account that you are gonna create the funnel in. So you are gonna search for funnel, and then it isn't in agency. You need to switch to sub account over here and then search for funnel. Once you funnel, then you can click on activate feature, and over here you'll get a list of sub accounts. You can choose your sub account and then turn it on for. So for this sub account we already have it turned on, so now I go to this sub account. Once you are in this sub account, click on the sites over here. Over here you'll see a button that says build with AI. So you can click on this build with AI. I'm gonna open a Lovable over here, so let's go to Lovable, and then I'm gonna ask Lovable to give me a prompt for the website that I wanna build. And I build a website in Lovable, but it is not being added in high level as an editable website. So what I'm gonna ask Lovable is, hey, can you give me prompt for GHL funnels AI for this exact site, make it as detailed as possible. So I created this site in Lovable AI. You can see over here now we are trying to get this created in high level. So I'm gonna ask Lovable to give me a prompt over here, and then once Lovable, you can do any AI to do that. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI that you think, or you can even type in your or you can type in your own prompt if you think you can do that, and you can give it a pretty good prompt. So it's gonna give me a prompt now. So seems like it is giving me a long prompt. Let's see if high level accepts it. So we have a build we can put in over here, so we can put our prompt over here. Once Lovable gives me the prompt, I'm gonna copy it. So let's wait for Lovable to write the whole prompt. I think there is gonna be a so let's copy this. I think there is gonna be limit of how many characters we can put in here. So this is over here, and then I'm gonna remove this part over here. Remove this as well. GHL AI prompt, and then use it starts from create a real estate landing page, and then it gives it all the options, and then we go over to the bottom and remove any irrelevant information. Add mortgage calculator, so remove this, and then I think this should be good. It's send, and then let's see how long it does take it to do that. So it's gonna take at least couple of minutes or maybe half an hour, because the prompt is really long. It will go and iterate through all the things, and let's see how it builds the website. I'm gonna pause it for a while and then I'm resume once the website is done. Okay, so here we go. It has put in created this page which you can see over here. It has created a menu over here, and then it's a hero section where you can see all these, and these looks like it has put in a custom code in these sections. So yeah, and all these are text. So yeah, it did what it could, and you can replace it with two buttons. And then yeah, over here it has put a nice form where you can obviously see also it's also a code. Let's see if this form actually works. So yeah, it's only an image, but you can replace it with the actual form over here. So yeah, over here it has only put in these clickable, I would say, text. Yeah, but you can obviously add actual calculator over here. So all these buttons, you can have them do something. You can customize as you wanted, but yeah, this is something real quick that from the prompt AI has generated. Now if you, let's say, I wanna change it to this image, I wanna give it a prompt, so you can select this section over here. Now you see it has selected this section, and you can type in anything. AI modify this by putting in a form, modify by putting in a real form. So stuff like that, you can be very detailed, and you can give it an input, and then it's obviously gonna work on it and do another thing. So yeah, let's see how that works out. You see, like, now it's asking for clarification, and it is asking for where the form should be and stuff like that. So yeah, you can talk to this AI and keep making things. I would suggest not giving the whole prompt in there and creating the whole website. You can do that in a one go, but you can see how broken this is, and you have to fix each of its pieces. But I would suggest that if you can start by giving little prompts, say I want to design a menu look like, and then I want to design the first section of my website, how it looks like. So little bit details, and you can now eventually use AI to build those prompts for you. So yeah, definitely giving smaller detailed prompts for each section would turn out be better than compared to giving in a whole prompt at once. And then obviously high level or the AI can help you build stuff on the go for each sections, and it can reduce your manual work by a lot. So yeah, let me know what you think of this, and if you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. And then yeah, and if you want more of these videos or any suggested topic that you want me to make a video on, do let me know, and I'll do my best for that. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.